lights, color, and a little nighttime magic. Tonight we walk the Asian Lantern Festival into the wild at the Central Florida Zoo and Botanical Gardens. I will take you through the best displays, give honest on-the-ground tips, and tell you what to expect so you can plan the perfect visit. Let us go. As the sun sets, the zoo is reborn. Pathways glow, giant lantern sculptures come alive, and the air hums with music and chatter. This is a walking experience on a roughly 3/4-mile loop, so wear comfortable shoes and bring a light jacket for cooler evenings. The event is entirely outdoors and the last admission time is enforced, so plan your arrival. Expect more than 50 larger-than-life illuminated sculptures, animals, plants, mythical creatures, and traditional designs, all handcrafted and lit with thousands of LEDs. There are immersive moments, lantern tunnels, reflective pools with dragon displays, and interactive spots that make for great photos. Keep your camera ready, but remember, the best shots often come when you slow down and let the light do the work. The festival runs on select nights from mid-November through January with timed evenings. Common hours are early evening to late evening, typically around 6 to 10 p.m. Ticket prices vary by date and package. General admission ranges reported across sellers and event partners are roughly in the mid-20s to higher tier packages that can exceed $50 depending on add-ons. Sensory-friendly evenings are offered for guests who prefer a quieter experience with reduced sound and lighting. If you are visiting with mobility concerns, manual wheelchairs are available on a first-come, first-served basis. Buy time tickets in advance to secure your preferred night. Look for the large animal tableau pieces. The dragon over water is a showstopper, and the immersive umbrella or lantern canopy tunnel where colors shift as you walk. Small details reward patience, hand-painted patterns, delicate metalwork, and the way a lantern reflects on a nearby pond. There are food vendors and local artisans along the route, so intersperse your walk with a snack and a little shopping for unique souvenirs. A quick note: you will not see the zoo animals during this event. The festival is run separately from daytime animal viewing, so the creatures remain in their night habitats for their comfort and safety. Plan a separate daytime visit if seeing animals is part of your must-do list. Go on a weeknight if possible to avoid crowds, charge your phone, bring a small tripod or use night mode for photos, and arrive early in your time slot so you can enjoy the whole loop at a relaxed pace. If you have sensory needs, check the listed sensory nights and timed entries. Parking and downtown Sanford dining are handy if you want to make an evening of it. The craftsmanship and scale are the real draw. When the lanterns are lit, the scene is enchanting and very shareable. Some guests note that exhibits show where from year to year, but overall the festival delivers an atmospheric, family-friendly night out that feels special and seasonal. If you love colorful photo opportunities and a leisurely evening stroll, this is worth adding to your holiday calendar. That is the Asian Lantern Festival, into the wild at the Central Florida Zoo, a feast for the eyes and a neat way to spend an evening near downtown Sanford. If you enjoyed this tour and review, like the video, subscribe for more Central Florida events, and drop a comment with your favorite lantern moment. Safe travels and see you on the next walk.